Hey, how's it going everyone? Stuart's Prepping here with another Battlebox unboxing. So, we got mission 95 here. Yeah, mission 95. Let's see what we got out. I'm gonna set everything out on the table. Got a lot of stuff in here. Looks like we do everything in the box. So let's see what we have here with us. Mission briefing says Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone. So first item we have is these aqua tabs. Looks like there's quite a lot of them in there. So we have quite a few. I'm trying to see on the bottle where it says the quantity.
100.
100 times?
100, 397 milligrams.
Oh yeah, it says it right there. But it has 100 water purifications in this pretty neat storage container bottle. This is pretty good to have. You can never have too many ways to purify water.
Yes.
Which is... see, they took out the pricings on here. They used to have the pricings on what each item used to be valued at. So that's kind of odd. Alright, so the second item looks to be like this item in the box here.
It's a Works all-in-one technical clear cleaner.
Let's open the box. So we got the spray bottle. We got a scrubber. Brush, you know, toothbrush style. You got the rag. So things, a little care kit. Keep that in the box so I don't get the stuff all dirty. So pretty much is it's a cleaning kit, you know. Pretty neat. Always good to have cleaning kits. So what is this? The next item is a Camo Corpse Sammy bundle?
Yeah.
Oh, what is this? The Sammy bundle. You got the kitchen chamois, the field chamois, and the chamois sponge.
Ring out for again and again, keeps hands dry and gear clean. So it's more cleaning gear.
Yeah, so you have different styles.
That one's for camping. Those are pretty neat.
These things are pretty much for, you know, cleaning off your gears, cleaning up yourself. This portable field stuff made out of this special material. It's supposed to dry even when wet. It's supposed to, even when wet, it dries gear quickly and even removes fish odor from your hands.
Oh, that's neat.
So each, you know, piece has its own little specialties for it, you know. The sponge can absorb up to 15 times its weight, you know.
Yeah.
So it's pretty neat. Have to do a lot more research and testing on each one of these, but it's pretty nice. So let's see, what is the last item we get in the advanced box? Is a
Bone dry rust prevention handgun case 2.0.
It's a handgun case. That would be neat if I maybe owned one. I don't. It's really hard to be able to afford one of those.
Yeah, but it's a nice case. We could use it for something else.
Pretty nice durable case here. Try to figure out another use for it. You never have to use for something what it's intended for. So it's pretty nice, pretty solid case. And then that's all the items we got in our advanced box. You know, we got the cleaning kit, we got the US Camel Corps combo kit, we got the field chamois, kitchen chamois, and the chamois sponge. And then we got the 100 tabs of the aqua purifying tabs. We got the Pro box, we got the sleeping bag, we order, let's see, the Pro Plus box, you got the knife. We are able to afford the advanced box, so we get the advanced box and the basic box items. And some pretty neat stuff in Mission 95 this month. So, you guys all take care. Have a good day. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.